for me.
We arrived and I'm going to do a house tour to show you where we're going to be staying for the next week. Going to be really nice to stay in somewhere as nice as this. I will catch up with you later. There's only one thing left to do, and that is to try out the hot tub. Woohoo! You would have seen we've just been in the hot tub and we've been a bit lazy and ordered a Domino's for our tea. We've got a boat trip booked in as well, so that'll be really exciting, and yeah, we'll let you know what we're going to get up to tomorrow. Oh, honeycomb. What one do you like?
I want to get the
Nutella. We're here at Swansea Bay because my husband is doing the park run. It's all set off, but we're waiting at the finish for them all to come back in, so let's go. Here's the first runner at 17 minutes, going quite quickly actually.
Well done.
Great finish. Well done everybody. Well done. Thank you. So today it's pouring with rain, so we're going to go to Plantasia. Hello. I'm going out. I'm going to scoot. Scoot. Ah, there we go. Was in there. What a stink!
There's wine in there.
Ugh, gross.
Smell that one, Ron. Go on, smell this
Not
one.
too bad. Is
Go
that
on,
good?
smell it, Ron.
That
Smell it.
definitely makes me want to smell it. Ah, that's like
Didn't
pee.
even video you smelling it.
That's gross. I don't...
Wow.
Really high. Are you allowed that?
Yeah.
What are we? Because we're researchers.
More there. 2 more.
Trying to navigate ourselves to Three Cliffs Bay, but it's a bit of a one. There's the river that runs up the middle, which I'll show you. and then you've got to like work your way. It's meant to be a really good beach, and yeah, it's quite a walk. It's about 30 minutes apparently, but we're walking quite fast, so we should get there pretty quickly, I'd have thought. But I'll check in with you again when we're nearer the beach. Finally, in sight is Three Cliffs Bay. We made it to Three Cliffs Bay Beach, and we were on the wrong side. You can go over some stepping stones, but because we was on the wrong side of the river, you had to wade through the river. Now wet, so yeah, this is the beach. If anybody has not had a Joe's ice cream, I would suggest go and try it out. A colleague of mine told me go and try one. She knew I was going to be down in Wales. It's quite expensive. I had a special Sunday ice cream that tasted like a strawberry cheesecake. She's having the mellow one. Laser Quest! No, I actually don't care what vloggers do. So my daughter doesn't like me vlogging in public. Apparently it's cringe. Anyway, just finished our laser quest and I was 4th in our group. Now I'm taking that as a massive win. Well done, team. And let's see what we're going to do for the rest of the day. Guys, please comment down below what you think of Denny's American Diner. We went twice and it was a bit hit and miss. So I just wonder if that's like a normal thing. Here we are trying out another beach on the Gower Peninsula. This is Langland Bay. Please let me know below if you've ever been to this beach and what you thought of it. Next on the list of things to do is visit Caerphilly Castle. I've been wanting to go for a long time and one of my viewers have actually beaten me to it. You know who you are if you're watching this. But it's an incredible castle with all the moats surrounding it. Here's me introing. This morning we're going to visit Caerphilly Castle. We're here now, and as you can see in the background there is one of the lakes here, and above that the edge of the castle. Apart from the fact it smells a little, this is one of the best rooms. Wowzer. Oh God. If you're scared of heights, don't look down. Oh wow. We've been all around the castle, right up to the top, and had a look at the views, which you've probably seen, and now I'm ducking under a little alley to get through to the other side. Morning, we're at Oxwich Bay. We've come for a boat ride hoping to see some seals and dolphins, and the view in the background is Oxwich Bay. We're about to check in to the Gower Coast boat trip. Thank you. Oh wow! Oh wow! Wow! That's a baby one. There, Liam.
me? I don't want my
End. I don't know if this camera's straight, so I'm gonna just adjust it. Right. I'm going to bring this vlog to an end. This was our family summer holiday vlog in the Gower Peninsula near West Cross in Wales. And we've got up to quite a bit. We went to Caerphilly Castle, we played laser tag, we went on a boat trip, which I haven't really talked about, but I can say it was well worth it. We went at 9:30. You have to get there half an hour early so you can have your life jacket on. Make sure you got the right footwear. The 9:30 slot that we went on, we actually saw 3 different types of seabirds. We actually saw them diving into the water as well. We saw dolphins, we saw, the Great Atlantic Seal. If you do come down this way, definitely go and check out Gower Coastal Adventures. I was feeling really quite rough at one point on board, and the skipper, what's his name? The captain, the skipper. Is it Dave? Can't remember his name. Anyway, I'll add that down below as well. He was so good. He came and checked on us. The safety brief we had when we were on board was amazing. All the technology they've got now and life-saving equipment is just unreal. If you've got any questions, please ask down below. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I hope to see you on the next one soon.